Hello, hello. Look what we have. Pasta done the easy way. This is our cheddar broccoli pasta. Now it cooked for 11 minutes right here in the pasta maker, uncovered. Now right here, I made me some fresh broccoli. Look at that color. And there's our water in the base. That's all you need. So we're gonna pour our broccoli right here in our pasta, one-handed. All right, now let's give it a little stir. Stir in our delicious broccoli, and our broccoli cheddar pasta is done in minutes, y'all. No slaving over the stove, no worrying about the macaroni or your pasta boiling over. We're saving all of our nutrients and vitamins because we steamed them. You see that pretty green color. So there you go, easy meal or a side right there. 20 minutes or less.